I'm getting ready to make another recipe from the Beetlejuice cookbook. I normally cover her recipes and tell you to buy the book. Not this one because this is avocado toast. It's not unique. It's pretty basic. I've seen this recipe 100 times. The only difference is maybe using sweet potato, but I've technically never made avocado toast, so I am interested in it. I already had everything bagel seasoning. I don't know why. I've used it. Avocado, sweet potato, lemon juice for the avocado, salt and pepper, and 2 eggs. So first thing, I think the hardest part is going to be the sweet potato. We're just gonna slice it, salt and pepper it, and stick it in the oven and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. And then also, this is like a poached egg on top, but the way that she describes how to do poaching the egg, it's very old-fashioned. And a little confusing to me, so I'm just gonna stick with my way that I poach eggs. Is I just have a little Pampered chef dish that poaches them in the microwave. Pretty simple. This is like a Pampered chef dish I've had for like 15 years. Got it as a gift and as a wedding gift, and this is how I poach eggs in the microwave. Pretty simple. And then I'm also not going to use special bread. I'm just going to use white bread because I don't feel like going to the store. But gotta give it a try. I've had avocado toast at a restaurant. I've just never made it myself. I peeled the sweet potatoes, tossed it with extra virgin olive oil, salt and peppered it, and now we're going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. This is definitely way too many sweet potatoes, but I had 2 sweet potatoes that I bought for this, and this is the only recipe I'm going to use it for, so I'll just snack on the extra sweet potatoes for lunch tomorrow. And to poach these eggs in this dish, all you do is add the egg to each bowl and then add a tablespoon of water and then stick it in the microwave 30 seconds if you like the yolk really runny, 45 seconds if you like it more firm. Just really depends on your microwave. So we lined toast with the sliced sweet potatoes, and oh my god, they tasted the potatoes. They were so good. I do not know why I don't eat sweet potatoes more often. Absolutely delicious. And then here is the mashed avocado with a little lemon juice in it, and then just pile that on top like the picture. Put a little circle in the middle so the egg can fit right in the middle. All right, my egg looks different because she used the pocket poaching method. It still has a runny yolk in her picture, but the way that she poached it, it's covered completely in white. Mine, you can see the yolk. I think it still looks pretty darn good. And then I put the bagel crunch on top, and I think it looks pretty good. What do you think, honey?
Beautiful.
She thinks, she's like, yeah. She said, where's mine? My tripod's upstairs. I'm too lazy to go get it, so I got my phone balanced on one of her big AMC theater cups. So this is actually our dinner, and I know this isn't enough for our dinner, so we picked up smoked salmon, and we have Cheesecake Factory bread, cream cheese, and onion to go with the smoked salmon. But first, I don't know. Should I cut into it or bite into it?
Don't know.
It's a big bite.
I've seen people cut into it, but I've also seen people just bite it like it's a piece of cheese.
I really love the sweet potato. It needs crunchier toast. That sweet potato and avocado combination is really good. Tell me if you like the bagel seasoning. All right, I'm gonna cut into it because I want a piece of egg. Oh yeah, that's a nice runny yolk. You like it?
It's actually interesting. It's a good combination.
It is a good combination. Robert's not one for mixing all foods together.
No.
So this has got egg, a bite with everything on it. If I could eat. That poached egg turned out perfectly.
I like this. I'm not a poached egg person. I'm not, you know,
I
like this.
like it just because we don't use avocado enough. Because I just don't know how to use it outside of guacamole. So it's interesting to use it like this.
Beast.
I like it. All right, let's try the smoked salmon. Would you get me a fresh knife? Because I don't want to get,
What kind of knife?
just for the cream cheese. I don't want to get egg yolk on the cream cheese. Or a spoon, whatever. Thank you.
Pretty good.
So,
pretty good cream
a little
cheese.
smorgasbord going on here. Cream cheese, also from Costco.
Salt.
Some Vidalia onion. And a piece of, I'm trying to find a smaller piece of salmon. Piece of smoked salmon. Let's see how this little bite is. Oh my god. That salmon is so good. It was smoked salmon in a pack at Costco. That why we don't normally see it like that.
It's cold smoked.
Cold smoked.
It's not like the type they put in a foil pouch.
And it was already like sliced in like slices, like perfect slices.
It's
like,
cold smoked, so it's not like it's cooked, but it's not like overcooked. It's not like what you get when you go to Alaska.
it is so good.
What the heck is going on?
I'm not a huge salmon person, like Robert. Like he loves salmon. I love it. I just don't want to eat it every day. But this, I could eat it like this every day. Does not have a fishy smell at all.
No.
And it goes good with the cream cheese and onion. Which I know this video is supposed to be about the avocado toast, which was really, really good. But that wasn't enough for dinner. I mean, technically I could have made 2 for each of us. But I didn't know if he was gonna like it or not. But I'm glad that he does like it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make avocado toast more often. You see those sharks swimming in the background?
Do they normally put sweet potato on that or what? I've never heard of this before. I've heard of avocado toast, but never with sweet potato.
Just different veggies to make it
Alright.
different.
It seems like
Ah,
different.
sweet potato is good. All I did was olive oil, salt, and pepper. So good. Robert just informed me this cold smoked salmon, it's also called lox, which you've heard of lox bagels. So I didn't know I'd like it. It was so good. Oh, and you could put the salmon on top of avocado toast too.
Mm-hmm. You do a lot.